She said she's been la poi kaporing at to tamasa. She shop ring at contation rang balum lukaluba. Katie Mary song sit lang ko sala kilikha. Bandak ka slave so ter la poi kapor shaba.